Want to turn a simple idea into a cinematic AI video? Here is how to get started with Google Flow in just 2 minutes. First, visit labs.google/fx/tools/flow and sign in with your Google account. You must be at least 18 with age verification completed. Access, available models, and AI credits may depend on your account and location. Click New Project. Before generating, choose the content type and model. Use a VO model for cinematic video generation, Gemini Omni Flash for supported video editing workflows, or Nano Banana to create and edit reference images. Now describe your scene. Include the subject, action, environment, lighting, visual style, camera movement, and desired audio. For example, a solar-powered city at sunrise, vehicles moving through clean streets, warm cinematic lighting, slow aerial camera movement, realistic style with soft ambient city sounds. Select the orientation, clip length, number of outputs, and quality option. Check the credit cost, then click Generate. For greater consistency, upload reference images for your character, product, object, or location. These references, called ingredients, help Flow maintain the same visual identity across different scenes. You can also animate an existing image or provide opening and closing frames to control how a shot begins and ends. Review the generated options and refine your preferred clip. Depending on the selected model, you can edit it with another prompt, insert or remove elements, extend the scene, or generate a new variation. Organize related images and videos into projects or collections. When you're happy with the result, simply download your final clip. And that's it. You've just created a cinematic AI video with Google Flow in 2 minutes.